Help support our coverage with PureVPN, the fast, secure way to protect your connection at home or on the go. Get exclusive savings now at techpodcast.com/PureVPN. Hello, Internet. I'm Scott with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network at CES 2026. We are here at the Energizer Connect booth. I've got a smart lock behind me and a thermostat on the wall. We'll find out about that in a second. But first, go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
Hi, my name is Heather. I'm VP Creative Director here at GEM Global. And we're here to introduce you to our Energizer Connect products with smart home automation.
So I see you've got some cameras here, two different versions.
Yep.
But I also see that they have a light socket on them.
Yeah,
What are we
so this
looking
is
at?
a new interesting product.
Yeah.
You can do a DIY installation at home where this light and camera goes into your light bulb socket. It comes with an extension for any use with your lighting fixtures.
Okay.
This is the older and the newer item. So the upgraded version is 1,000 lumens with RGB LED lighting.
Oh.
It also has smart detection, so it'll look at packages, cars, people walking down the street. So it's a little elevated than the previous version.
Okay, so that way we're not being annoyed with notifications about squirrels in the yard.
I mean,
We
I
only
actually,
care about people.
Yeah, I
Okay.
use these cameras at home too, and every time even like the light changes, your pet's moving around, I don't want my phone going off every 5 minutes.
Sure.
So at least this one's gonna notify you when you really wanna get that instant notification.
That's super cool. And so all I have to do is take it and screw it into a light socket
Pretty much.
and then probably pair it to the app.
Yeah, so these are
Okay.
app-based. The app is free. No additional fees unless you want to do cloud storage. But basically, I think pretty much DIY. Takes maybe 5 minutes to set up as long as you have 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi as well. And it works in most homes.
Okay, cool. And you said this works on 5 gigahertz. Excellent.
Yeah.
That's definitely an enhancement over some of the older products that all required 2.4. So
Correct.
that's cool because that was like on some of my like LED strips and stuff. It requires 2.4. I had to turn that on in my router.
Oh no.
Because the 2.4 is a little older of a
Yeah,
technology,
gotcha.
which is why I was using it because there's no licensing on it. But,
Okay.
Okay, so this will do 5, so I don't necessarily have to have that.
Yeah, perfect.
Rock on. Okay, cool.
Do you have any other questions?
So what resolution did you say? 2K?
Oh yeah, so these are 2K HD resolution, so you're getting really quality recording and photos.
And I can obviously there's gonna be night vision on it, I guess.
Are these infrared?
I'm getting a yes from off camera.
So these have night vision infrared, so you can
Nice.
see everything, what's going on at nighttime as well.
Very cool. Are these on the market now, or are they?
Yes,
Okay.
they are.
Very cool. And we can find these at Energizer Connect.
Oh yeah,
.com?
you guys can go to our websites. We sell these on energizerconnect.com. And other than that, it will be in retail stores soon as well.
Very cool. All right, I see we also have a deadbolt here behind us.
Yeah, so this is our new Energizer Smart Deadbolt lock. There's 5 ways to unlock your door after installation. One would be the app. There's 2 keys that come with it, 2 key fobs, and also the keypad option, as well as, did I say fingerprint?
Fingerprint.
So there, you can put up to 50 different fingerprints on here to unlock your door.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mine does 10, so this is a huge improvement over that.
Cool, yeah. All your relatives, I guess. Who else?
Well, you could do so.
Different
What?
fingers?
Well, yeah. What I discovered was I had originally done my thumb,
Okay.
and that turns out to be a mistake. The one I actually want is my forefinger.
Is that just easier when you have like
When
things
you're
in your
holding
hand?
bags and stuff, yeah. You're
Okay, cool.
like carrying a cup or a bag. When you come in, this is more available than your thumb without having to put everything down. So I learned that later. So it'd be nice to be able to have multiple to
Very
choose.
cool.
So I can see 50 being useful.
Okay, very nice. And then also the key fob, if you want to do a more manual entry, you have the key fobs and also the regular keys as well.
Very cool. And it looks to me as if this is just a regular deadbolt installation.
Yeah, so this will work on most home front doors. Everything's DIY, so you can install that on your own as well.
Very cool. And is that available now?
Yes, this is available on energizerconnect.com as well in some retail stores.
And in your other hand, we seem to have a thermostat.
A second new item. This is our new smart thermostat. Okay. This one works on the dual 5 gigahertz band. And with this, we're really controlling the fan, the heating, the cooling inside your house. Okay. So this really just elevates whatever thermostat you already have at home. Now you can control it with the touch screen or through the app with Energizer Connect.
Interesting. So I saw it over here over my right shoulder, and I see that it connects. I see it. It's a regular connection. Okay. So it's a regular thermostat connection. You're going to wire it in the back. Okay. That was my question. I'm glad you're standing here because I saw this and I figured it's probably for display purposes and it works like a normal regular thermostat. Thank goodness, because I was really confused as to how a USB port was going to get us there. Yeah, I was really confused about that. So great. So this is in full control of your heating and cooling.
Yeah, so I think if you just want to elevate your home and put everything on the Energizer Connect app, I think this is a really cool way to just centralize everything.
Yeah, and being able to use one app for all of your security and like home stuff is nice. I have long used your sister app over there for Monster and non-Monster products. So
very nice. Yeah, I think like even like say you're away on vacation or at work and you want to start changing the temperature before you come home, this is a great thing to have.
Yeah, that's cool. My thermostat lost that capability about 2 years ago. They shut down the app.
Gosh.
Yeah, well.
All right, well now we got to upgrade.
There you go. So this one's available as well, or is it coming soon?
Yeah, this one you can also get on the Energizer Connect website.
What kind of price point are we looking at?
This one is $99.99.
Very nice. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to show off these products today.
Thanks, Scott. I appreciate it as well.
Absolutely. For continuing CES 2026 coverage, stay tuned to techpodcast.com or PLUGHITZlive.com/CES. The Tech Podcast Network's CES 2026 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Ravin Ford. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Brandy Jackson, and Beth Price. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, Scott Ertz, and Serge Velasquez. Graphic design by Vicky Gonzalez. Executive producer emeritus Todd Cochran. Award production is provided by Amrock Fab Lab. Studio equipment is provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2026.